Good morning. Today we are going to see rational numbers. For example, 7 upon 8 minus 8 upon 7. In rational numbers, we are going to discuss about decimals. For example, 3.45 minus 7.8 are decimals. Decimals. Numbers are written using decimal points are called decimals. For example, 4.56. Another example, 5.89. A decimal consists of three parts: a whole number, a decimal point, and a decimal part. Every fraction can be written as a decimal. For example, 4 upon 5 is equal to 0.8. 13 upon 5 we can write as 2.6. Fractions to a decimals. How to convert a fraction to a decimal? To change a fraction to a decimal, we are following steps. Write the numerator as a decimal and divide it by denominator. Continuing dividing until the remainder is 0 or remainder starts repeating. Example is given. 4 is divided by 5. That means 4 upon 5. It becomes 4 minus 0. That means 5 zeros are 0. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Then we have taken decimal point in the quotient and 0 after 4. Then it becomes 40. Then 5 adds up 40. So 40 minus 40 is equal to 0. So that 4 upon 5 is equal to 0.8. Terminating and recurring decimal form. Now we will see some example. First example, 11 is divided by 5. Okay, 5 2s are 10. So 11 minus 10 is equal to 1. Now 1 we have taken 0 and decimal point in the quotient. Then it become 5 2s are 10. Again 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. So it become 2.2. Second example, 7 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Decimal point is taken in the quotient. Then 10, 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Again we have taken 0. We can take once we have taken the decimal point. So 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. So that 11 upon 5 is equal to 2.2 and 7 upon 3 is equal to 2.33. But 3 is repeated again and again. So it is a recurring decimal form. And 11 upon 5 we got the 0 as remainder. So it is terminating decimal form. Simplification of expression. If more than one operation is to be carried out, then multiplication and division are carried out first, in the order in which they occur from left to right. After that, addition and subtraction carried out in the order in which they occur from left to right. The third point is that BODMAS. BODMAS means B for bracket, O for of, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. So whenever we get this type of the mathematical expression, first we have to solve bracket, then division, multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Let's see some examples. Now first example, 80 divided by in the bracket 15 plus 8 minus 3 bracket complete plus 5. 15 plus 8 become 23. So 18 divided by 23 minus 3 plus 5. 80 divided by 20 plus 5. 80 divided by 20 we get 4. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. One another example, 3 upon 4 minus 5 upon 7 into 1 upon 3. 3 upon 4 keep as it is. 5 upon 7 into 1 upon 3 we get 5 upon 21. So it becomes 3 upon 4 minus 5 upon 21. Now cross multiplication, 3 into 21 minus 5 into 4 upon 4 into 21. It becomes 63 minus 20 upon 84. Finally we get 43 upon 84. In this way we can solve example.